Hi everyone and welcome back to Skin Talks with Katie. I'm Katie and I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're into skincare products, skincare reviews, everything skincare, then please hit the subscribe button down below and join this wonderful community of skincare fanatics. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, which is a Wear It Wednesday video, I'm going to be trying out the Caroline Hirons Sensitive Skin Box. So without further ado, let's get going. So I thought I would do a Wear It Wednesday video. I watch Skin Obsessed Mary. I'm subscribed to her. I follow her on Instagram. She's great. Please go and check her out. And she does a Try It Tuesday where she tries out various products. It can be skincare, hair care, anything. I thought this is such a great idea. And it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while is incorporate another video a week without it being another review or another kind of like education one. So I thought this is such a great idea and it can just be fun. I can actually test out products in front of you or with you. So each week, hopefully I'll be trying something new or showing you a treatment at home, something like that. And you can watch and laugh and hopefully see some really good results. So today I'm going to be testing out Caroline Hirons Sensitive Face Box. Retail of all these products are £184 and I spent £84. And that's what's great about Caroline Hirons is that you get some really great discounted bundles. So in the box, you have the Elemis Pro-Collagen Naked Cleanser. Now this one has no fragrance and I believe most of these products are fragrance free. You've then got the Pai Skincare Instant Kalmer, which is this one here. And then the OSKIA Rest Day Barrier Repair, which is this one. And I'm super excited to try that. And then you get a Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, which is just here. So I'm going to go and get myself ready, put my hair back and probably change. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Elemis Pro-Collagen Fragrance Free, what's it called, Naked Cleansing Balm. So you get a little Elemis face cloth, which is nice. So that's what you get. We open it up and look at that. It is lovely. So I've just got a grape size amount there. Rub the balm into my hands and you will see now it warms up and it goes into more of a oily consistency. And then I will go over my face. So it doesn't smell. There is no scent to this whatsoever, which is really nice. It's feeling really nice at the moment. Okay, so I'm just going to gently take that off and you will see the remnants of my makeup on the cloth in a minute. Can use this again, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so that's it. My makeup is now off. I'm not going to tone or anything. I'm just going to follow the steps. So the next step in the Sensitive Face Box is the Pai Skincare Instant Kalmer. One pump. So that feels really nice. So this is sea aster and ceramide serum. It does say use more, so I am going to use 2 more pumps. Ceramides are amazing for the skin. They are really important for kind of hydration, moisturization. They are like the building blocks of for the skin. So it feels super nice. So it's not greasy at all. It's got a really nice consistency. It reminds me of the Barbara Sturm Calm serum that I fell in love with, but was super expensive. So I'll leave everything linked below, the individual prices. The third product that we're moving on to is the OSKIA Rest Day Barrier Repair Balm. I'm very, very excited to try this. And look at this. I just love it. This is going to be a favourite of mine. I can just feel it. So again, a grape amount. So I'm just going to show you guys. It's really super soft. I'm just going to put it between my hands so that I get spread. And oh, that feels lovely. Really thick and nourishing. There's no smell to it. I have used too much. So you definitely just need a tiny bit. It goes a long way. I am such a fan of rich, thick moisturizers. I feel like my skin just drinks them up. That is the Rest Day Barrier Repair Balm. Loving that. And then the last but not least is the Summer Friday Lip Butter. It's a little tip like that. Push a little bit out and you can see that it's clear. And I'll just put it on. Very nice. Vanilla. That is really nice. That is it. I'll just come a little bit closer. You can see my skin. So this is what I need to address, which is the retinol. But everything else feels really nice and moisturized. All in all, I'm super pleased and looking forward to repairing my skin. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you suffer with sensitive skin or dry skin. I'll leave everything linked below in today's video and I will see you on the next Skin Talks with Katie.